It's Wizard
Wednesday!
All right, boys and girls, for this science experiment, our question is what's going to happen when we stack 3 sugar cubes into the water? All right, so here's the sugar cube. I'm going to stack 1, 2, 3 into the water. The next thing we need to do what, Mr. Mazur?
Form a hypothesis.
And a hypothesis, we've been doing this as a prediction. So what do you think is going to happen? All right, boys and girls, what's going to happen to the cubes? What's going to happen to the water? Let's hear those hypotheses. Oh, I hear that about the sugar cube.
What about the water?
Oh, just heard that one. Great job, scientists. I'm liking how you're thinking. Now, to be able to see what's going to happen to the waters, we need to add some food coloring. So, Mr. Mazur, I see that you have what color?
Blue.
And we're going to put 5 drops of blue into the water. Go ahead and count it for us, Mr. Mazur.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, 6 it is. We're going to mix up the food coloring. So now our water is blue. Okay, so I have my 3 sugar cubes and I'm going to put that in. So boys and girls, when I do that, I want you to observe what's happening. Oh, look at that water traveling up the 2 sugar cubes. Let's see.
Is it going to make it to the 3rd?
Oh, I see it over here. Do you see it on that side a little bit? See that, Mr. Mazur?
Yes.
It's coming slower than the first 2, but I see that it is traveling up the top sugar cube. Now, interesting, it's absorbing that water, but being able to go up. Now, why is that, boys and girls? It's a really big scientific term called capillary action. Everybody say it.
Capillary action.
Capillary action. It's when the liquid is going up through the solid because inside the sugar, it's not packed super tight. There's a little bit of air in it and it's being able to travel up. Think about that with plants, boys and girls. How is the water going to be able to travel up the stem? Through capillary action. Oh, and look at that. Now, we did this. What just happened? I think it got too heavy that it crashed. Now, sometimes scientists, after we do a science experiment, we still have some questions. I only stacked it up 3 sugar cubes, but Mr. Mazur, do you have any questions still about this science experiment?
Yes, I do. I wonder if it'll travel up more than 3 cubes.
Oh, so what are you going to build on your side?
I'm going to build a pyramid on my side.
All right, I'll do, while you start that, I'll put the 5 drops of food coloring into your bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll mix it up for you. Now, you said you're going to stack it up how many?
5 high.
5 high in a pyramid. I'm going to stack mine 4 high, and I'm going to see if it travels up 4 sugar cubes. Mr. Mazur, you're doing it into a pyramid in 5? All right, let's see. Let me get mine ready. So boys and girls, you can build different things with your sugar cubes to see what it will flow up. You can also use, I'm curious about warm water, hot water, cold water. There's a temperature effect. What happens to the sugar cubes? All right, go ahead, Mr. Mazur. Let's see, I'm gonna put my 4 in. Ooh. Wow. Are you observing, boys and girls?
We're getting in the 3rd layer.
Wow, it's traveling up fast.
I have a question.
What is your question, Mr. Mazur?
Do you think the 5 blocks on the bottom will fall out like they did in the last one?
That's a good question. It looks like all the water that's traveling up, that I bet you it's getting heavier, and I bet it will crash like the other one. What do you think, Mr. Mazur?
I disagree, I guess.
Oh, okay.
My hypothesis is a little bit different.
What is yours?
I think there will be enough to keep it afloat.
Well, let's see. Oh, wow, I see it going up to the 4th row.
moving a little slower on this one.
I wonder if it's going to get up to the 5th cube. So now I know I really don't have to do mine because I can see from his experiment that it will be able to travel up 4 sugar cubes. Let's see if it gets all the way. Looks like it's slowing down.
Our base is definitely.
Oh,
getting a
I
little
see
weaker.
it. Boys and girls, can you observe? You can see that sugar cube's about to give out at the bottom row. Let's see if it can make it. Come on.
The little engine that could.
Oh, did you see
Whoop.
that? Here it comes. Oh, it's about to fall. And,
My
well,
hypothesis was incorrect.
all right, that's okay, boys and girls. We always say it doesn't matter if your hypothesis is correct or incorrect. But great job, Mr. Missouri.
Thank you.
Boys and girls, awesome today. Rate it 1 out of 5. Tell us how you like it. Great job today.
Thank you guys. See you next week.